Instantly is a cold email outreach tool. The way it differs from other tools is that it allows you unlimited email accounts and unlimited email warm-ups. So these prices are actually really cheap in comparison to other tools. Their email warm-up tool sends emails within their network and lands those emails in the inbox to increase your deliverability. And then when you send emails to your prospects, they're going to be sent to the inbox. They also have a tool to clean and verify your lead list to make sure that you're sending your emails to actually valid accounts. Also, of course, they have automation tools so you can add different things like the different names, the different steps, so on and so forth. And they have inbox rotation, which allows you to have one campaign but choose the different email addresses from which you want to be sending emails to that campaign. And of course, you have the analytics as well, so you can see how many emails you send, the open rates, replies, so on and so forth, so you can manage your campaigns well. By the way, they also have this what they call email accelerator. It's basically a course telling you how exactly to use the tool and to get leads, and it's actually really good. 50+ documents, SOP, so on and so forth. I've actually went through a bunch of this stuff and it's good. By the way, I have created a document of 50 best growth hacks used by the biggest marketers out there. Check the link below.